In case you're considering approximately buying a Fedex course, you're likely pondering how much it'll fetch. Well, the cost can change depending on a number of key components. To begin with, there are two fundamental sorts of Fedex courses: ground courses and domestic conveyance courses. Ground courses are for the most part cheaper since they require littler trucks and as a rule serve trade areas. Domestic conveyance courses, on the other hand, are more costly since they include bigger trucks and convey to person homes, regularly in active urban regions. Area moreover plays a huge part within the cost. Courses in urban zones tend to be pricier since of higher request, more stops, and the challenges of exploring city activity. Country courses are ordinarily less costly, but they too come with less conveyances, which might accrue less income. At that point, there's the estimate of the course. A bigger course with more stops will clearly take in a toll more, but it seemed to bring in higher benefits. In the event that the course has a built-up client base and a dependable driver, it might be worth the additional venture. So, how much are we talking? Littler courses as a rule drop within the extent of $50,000 to $150,000. But in the event that you're looking at a bigger, more productive course, particularly in a city, the take in a toll can extend from $200,000 to $500,000 or more. But be beyond any doubt, it's not fair the buy cost. You'll have to be figure in upkeep costs for the vehicles, fuel, protections, and conceivably representative compensation in the event that you're not driving the course yourself. And there may be extra contract re-establishment expenses and other costs. In conclusion, buying a Fedex course can be an awesome venture, but it's critical to get at the costs included. From the cost of the course to continuous support and operational expenses, make beyond any doubt you're prepared for the commitment. In the event that you're up for it, in spite of the fact that owning a Fedex course can be a beneficial and fulfilling commerce wander.